In this video, I'll show you how to make money with Brave Rewards. As you know, guys, if you install Brave browser into your computer or laptop, you can earn BAT tokens and you can convert them into real money. So as you can see, I'm using Brave browser. First of all, I will show you how to download it. You just need to open your browser, any browser. Just write this simple keyword in the Google search, download Brave browser, and open the first result. Then click Get Brave for Windows or any other systems, guys. Here are the list, and install the Brave browser into your device. After that, when you install the device, you will see this triangle in the top right on the right side of the search bar. You need to click this triangle, and right here, as you can see, you could be getting paid for the one ad. So this browser is showing me some ads and it's earning BAT tokens. And when I collect these BAT tokens, I can withdraw them and I can convert them with the real money. How to do it? First of all, you need to download the browser, then you need to click this triangle, and then you need to connect to account. You can connect to Uphold or Brave Wallet. Uphold is not supported in my region, so I can connect to Brave Wallet. So I can click Brave Wallet, then connect. There are two options. If I already have wallet, I can click already have a wallet, or just click need a new wallet and create a new wallet for the rewards. Then you need to use this browser, go to the websites, use this browser regularly, and you will earn BAT tokens. They'll show you the rates, guys. Viewing 1000 ads typically results in estimated total of 50 cents to $5 worth of BAT. So that's the rate. If this video was helpful for you, don't forget to click the like buttons and don't forget to subscribe.